Amazing day to you guys. My name is Mr. Can and this is your Toyota Vios. Kung tayo po ay merong number 1 na MPV in the market, meron tayong number 1 sedan in the market. This is your Vios. It will have 1.3 and 1.5 engine for your choice po, no? So this one is very reliable, tested na po for family use, for business use lalo na po, no? Matibay, fuel efficient po, and it will have enough power po to travel you. Okay? So this one po, no, your Vios po, it will have fog lamps na, 15-inch alloy rim, backup sensor, backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, touchscreen head unit, meron na po yan. Okay? Now for our promotions po, ito po maganda. Under Toyota Financial Services again, ang promotion namin for as low as 5,000 cash out po. You can bring home your new Toyota Vios XLE CVT. Okay? Now, ano pa po ang mga promotions? 5-year warranty coverage po ang Vios mo. So, mahaba-haba po ito. It will have also free PMS from 1,000, 5, 10, 15, 20. So, mahaba-haba po ang libreng PMS nyo.
Nice.
Wala kayong babayaran po. All you need to do, magpa-appointment lang po. Okay? For this one, mabilis lang po ang approval. Easy transaction lang po, lalo na under Toyota Financial Services. Kung gusto po nila mag-apply, kailangan nila ng application form. Please, call Mr. Can. And I'll do my best to make your dream car come true. Yun.